ordered this SUUNTO watch from Amazon, and actually this is the second one. I ordered one. Actually, I ordered this one right here that I've got on my wrist, and it came in a few weeks ago. And I don't know if you could see on here, but the little arrow between the little glowing marks on the little, see this little bevel is got a detent and it turns. So, but the arrow is off-centered. It's not in the middle. So I'm like, well, for a $200 watch, it ought to be, considering it's not a smartwatch or anything, it ought to be put together better than that. And I'm wondering, well, is this a knockoff? I don't know. So anyway, I thought it was just a one-off screw up. So I told Amazon, and they sent me a second one. I'm gonna put this one down. I'll show you this one. If I can get it open. Here we go. And it came in, and I haven't even taken it out of the package. It's got this little cover over the lens. I did turn the detent a little bit. So anyway, if you look at this one, you can see that it's off even more than the other one. If you turn it way, it kind of makes the illusion like it's in the middle, but if you hold it straight on, it's off. So they're all kind of off to the right a little bit. So I'm like, are these knockoff watches or are these real SUUNTO watches? Because back years ago, I bought a Rode microphone, the Rode Podcaster mic, and it came in, and I noticed that I could see some wires through the screen. So I sent in a photo and a little video and email to Rode in Australia. And they wrote back and they said, well, it's either been opened up and messed with or it's a knockoff. And I actually saw a warning on their website about buying things from Amazon Fulfilled, so they wouldn't warranty them. So I sent it back to Amazon, and they credited me back, and I went and bought one from a Rode distributor. So, but anyway, I just wanted to tell y'all about these watches that they're not exactly perfect. The crystal is not set straight. So anyway, that's a little video on it, and I hope it it helps some folks make a decision out there, or at least be on the lookout for something. So anyway, thanks for y'all's time, and have a good one.